Kick it! It's the Beasty Bird! You gotta fight for your right to party! Come on, Chico! You gotta fight for your right. You gotta fight! Guys, an extra close up of this guitar. I just finished it. I just had the Eddie Van Halen pickups put in. I got the 1971 quarter with the holes drilled into it. I bought the reflector kit. I painted the blue on the reflectors and did the best I can to kind of mirror it. I found these in my garage. They work pretty perfect. The eye hooks, just like he had. The only difference is I have two humbuckers. And I use the Wolfgang pickups from his current guitar, and I've got that whole thing, whole Wolfgang sound going on. Anyway, I wanted to show you this guitar. I just finished it. I just had the Eddie Van Halen Wolfgang pickups put into this thing. And it's not an exact replica, but it's pretty close. I got the picks on the double-sided tape. I put a stained Tico up the front with the burn marks on the headstock. I actually got the reflectors for the back of it, and I painted them with the blue paint. And all the other parts I had in my parts bin, the tremolo, I didn't put a Floyd Rose on it. I just left the tremolo that I had, and I had JT put in the Eddie Van Halen pickups. And this guitar, what was supposed to be a wall hanger, actually sounds totally amazing. And it plays great. Because it doesn't have the Floyd Rose, it goes out of tune a little bit. And if I use the trem, it might snap back a little out of tune, but that would be the only disadvantage. But I also got the 1971 quarter with the holes drilled and the notch out. I tried to make it look as authentic as possible. I put a few relics in myself, But anyway, I'm so happy with the way this thing turned out. I'm probably going to play it a lot because it sounds really great. And when I combine it with my 5150, it's spot on. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I might give a guitar away this year. Stay tuned. We'll tell you which one I'm going to give away. Thank you guys. Have a safe weekend. And keep on watching.